my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Ha-ha. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, ah. How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, you've Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. You're my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my banner. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Oh, you're my thing, you know.
Yeah, fema ye wo London. Ya jia basobodie bebre. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, BTC family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nyeden kra. Yen partner penimpa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura wo ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care eye abofrahwe mu awaregya ye ho twema mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma wo legal assistance ya edimu na yie adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe ni ya wo brei mu enu nti ne yeto ye mbo ase ma wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner Ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu no sanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a unni haw kra. Upe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF Solicitors die ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas ni appeals. Yen senior partner eye member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel inti se ye taiwachi a wunni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa nonkron pe mu ekosi enumre nonsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm ena memene danso eye appointment nkoa free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Ye wo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nswa eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law ho. Wa advising local authorities, official solicitors office ni solicitors bebre efa Ghanaian law ho yi na osan yo bia otai kasa ewo radio any TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Rena's a very special good morning to all listeners. It's a privilege, it's an honor to come your way every Friday with legal matters, legal issues, things concerning immigration, family law, litigation, and so forth and so on. What are you waiting for? It's another day. God has been faithful. We are here to bring such education to you once again. Onuadɔfo a wohwɛ me, mɛda wo ase yie. Anɔpɛ nso saa adom yɛn, ehyira yɛn, Nyankopɔn ehyira yɛn ne nkwa sɛ efiada biara yɛba mo akwan na yɛde legal matters anaa mmerɛmo nsɛm de brɛ mo, mmerɛmo nsɛm a ɛfa yɛn immigration nsɛmsɛm, yɛfa yɛn family law, ebi ne divorce, ebi ne child nkwalahwɛ ne yɛn Ghanaian laws mpo no. Da biara Nyame ma yɛn adom sɛ yɛ a ne yɛba mo akwan a ɛnɛ nso saa na yɛaba mo akwan yɛde saa nimdeɛ no de brɛ wo. Mɛsrɛ sɛ wenya ehu yɛn wɔ Facebook na wenya bɛto yɛn wɔ YouTube no ne die mu ahobrɛaseɛ mu bɔ mmɔden ara na kyekyɛ ma yɛn. Yɛwɔ adesua, yɛwɔ nneɛma bebree a yɛyɛ wɔ saa mmerɛ wei mu. Ebi ne sɛ akyerɛkyerɛ a yɛn papa a ɔyɛ senior partner anaa senior head ankasa kyerɛ sɛ meka senior na kyerɛ sɛ wobɛte aseɛ wabene yie wɔ law nsɛm mu. Mmara nsɛm no yɛba ne mmara nsɛm wɔ kurom ha ɛne yɛn kurom Ghana wabene yie papapapa na wapractice 29 solid years ɛwɔ saa nsɛmsɛm yi nti wohwɛ a ɛnɛ Nyame adom yɛnya no ɛwɔ ha yɛne ne ba bɛtwetwe nkɔmmɔ nti mesa ma good morning bio, mesa ma good afternoon, mesa ma good evening baby biara a wohwɛ me free na sɛ wohu yɛ wɔ efi kɛseɛ wei so a ɛyɛ Facebook anaasɛ YouTube a mɛsrɛ w'ani die mu bɔ mmɔden ara ne mmea asoma obi na ɔno nso nya saa animdeɛ yi. Mɛda mo ase biom, medin ara ne Manyɛ Naate, wofrɛ Manyɛ Ti a nhyira nka. Yo, yɛahyɛ aseɛ deɛ na yɛde mmirika na yɛbɛkɔ so. Yɛahwɛ sɛ nkurɔfoɔ ɛreba yɛmfa mmirika na yɛnkyekyɛ na ɛnkɔ sɛ Friday frɛ onuadɔfo bi frɛ wo nuabaa bi wo nuabɛrima bi wo maame bi wo papa bi w'adamfo bi sɛ ɛmmere no aso sɛ yɛba abɛkyerɛkyerɛ mmerɛ mu biom yɛba abɛkyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm a ɛfa yɛn ho wɔ kurom ha especially even mpo ne yɛn Ghana ebusuafo nyinaa ho no yɛba abɛkyerɛkyerɛ nti to anamo na bɔ mmɔden a na frɛ obi medin ne Manyɛ Ti masan bɔ so biom. Yo, yɛbɛhwɛ ɛnɛ no yɛnkura ne bɔne da biara meka sɛ yɛba a yɛde anigyesɛm na ɛba na anigyesɛm no nso deɛ nipa baako mfa ndi enti ɛna a yɛaba no ɛyɛ anigyesɛm even though in quote meka sɛ ɛnyɛ yɛn pɛ ɛnyɛ yɛn ka ne sɛ it's not our will sɛ ɛmbi a topic ɛna a yɛbɛkyerɛ mu nkurɔfoɔ bɛkɔ mu saa na mmom ɛnam sɛ nimdeɛ a ɛwɔ mu no nti yɛde saa nimdeɛ no ɛba sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a wobɛhu neɛ wobɛyɛ in case saa biribi saa ɛto a saa na ɛteɛ nti ɛnɛ no yɛwɔ nneɛma bebree yɛba abɛsua na yɛbɛsrɛ mɛfrɛ yɛn papa a ɛnɛ yɛne no abɛdi dwuma no na ɔno nso mfa ne nkyea kɛseɛ ɛma abusuafoɔ nyinaa BWF Solicitors team ne nyinaa na yɛne ɔmo di dwuma no yɛmfa nkyea ɛma ɔmo ɛne ahwɛfoɔ ne adɔfoɔ a yɛhyia mu wɔ ha motwɛn yɛn sɛ mobɛba na moabɛtie yɛde nkyea kɛseɛ paa efi BWF Solicitors for efiase hɔ no yɛmfa mbrɛ mo anɔpɛ enti mɛma mo saa good morning Uncle Ben mpatwɔ mema good morning anɔpɛ.
Hello, good morning, Manyɛ Ti. Good morning, nuanom ne adɔfo ɛne obia ɛne wabɛka yɛn ho na wasɔ BWTV otie yɛn wɔ radio so YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn. Yɛwɔ LinkedIn so. Wotumi hwɛ yɛn wɔ LinkedIn so. Social media platforms ne nyinaa. Yɛkyia mo sɛ Nyame de akyɛ yɛn nti yɛte ase wɔ nkwan adeɛ. Na was the aseda Emma Yehoa.
Yo, Uncle Vedawasi. Yes, you were LinkedIn, you were all the social platform so ain't no near excuse. And no I say ufa phone and now kita computer and a laptop and a tablet now. But more than no one say no I click is a Facebook ubenya wo no abo BWF Solicitors live and I say BW Communications ubenya ewo ho udi BW Communications unya boy ya ubenya yes sir domunti yes our radio stations and so radio station can BW radio but modern Ghana, modern Ghana, now at BW Radio. Ube hunye wo obetie je say da baby na utie na we hunye eko nti anko be ye beda ase anope ye nkra ne bone ye ba ma kwan a na akyerɛkyerɛ ni enimdie ya na ye de ba na ansa na ye beko ye topic na the main head a ye wo for ene no yenim sɛ na wɔtwe betwam akwaba no na emu nsɛm dɔɔso ampa emu nsɛm de bebree na enye de bia nso na dodoɔ na enya bitie na eba Friday say ya na yem papa ana yen lawyers akentinken omo abet boni tofa say ni na koso na wotwe mu na chese ya hye yen den na yehu enti sana na wotwe yehu nsem Ukraine war koso ya rehusem matikra mpo say Ghana fo bi say omo pese ye mo visa no mo kokko ntokwa ne because ntokwa no mo nti ase say be ye ho say enye ho ene kyerɛ sɛ ntɔkwa bi ɛkɔ ya nim nya ye sisia no ne aba ne sɛ even covid mpo yɛnka ho asɛm kɛseɛ biom ɛno ane Ukraine war na apart from that no nso no nneɔma nketenkete bi sisa wɔ yɛabrabɔ mu wɔ UK ha nneɔma ɛkokɔ so nti yɛbɛ Frank Ben na ɔmbɛkyerɛ yɛn sɛ pɔtɔm ka sɛ yɛka update a biribi foforɔ a bɛsen wɔ ho biribi a bɛtwam anaa biribi a trending for the week no na yɛn nso yɛnhyɛ yɛn ho so na yɛnhu kwan a ɔsɛ yɛfa so nti Uncle Ben patro mesra w'ani die mom ayembia na wotwe nneɛma a yɛtwentwam kwa bibi wɔ mu a ɔsɛ yɛfa ana yɛmfa nto yɛn ho fo ana ɛyɛ update bi a aba ana mesra w'ani die mom.
Well, manya TM say update aba there bebre. First of all, COVID travel requirements no. Sena mu nyina mu nim no. First no ba UK a na wonye vaccination na wo aye test and sana wo de aba first crown so de na oba I was so quarantine na why vaccination nso a nka wo ba nka wo so fairly locator forms no so see aye yi sa restriction nyina enti sana UK na 2019 by December 2000 sana na UK tin see asa na tie till we are vaccinated when you're vaccinated ufi red list country, ufi red list country. Over UK, and one say what our passport say we have visa, what your visa, we are British, our indefinite, and one say we book flight. Now about no locator form completion, no test, COVID test, no certificate. Bibia a restricted COVID who be no for UK travel no. Ye ni nyina every ho enti oba eno ane se oba Ghana dem say your restriction oba so ufi UK ufi Ghana eba UK ana ufi krofo frost oba UK dia so restrictions no ye ni nyina. The other update person me dem no immigration good news aba and this is good news was say we nyina ye hye no so mo behu a ye mana ye wo mo wa ha no omu di 7 years omu timi apply for asetena na wo maame ana papa no also wakoso agina ne so na munim say ye ma omu 2.5 na munim nso say ye ma ne 2.5 na age say watena so 10 years ansa na wanya indefinite leave nyame nchaade home office say from April we say wa wo ba wa ha na akola na tena ha 7 years o your application Yabemano indefinite leave to remain straight away and ask Yabemano 5 years. Indefinite leave to remain straight away and ask Yabemano 5 years until we call 5-year route, 2.5. Aye good news ma yenyina especially yen aye won ma wa ha no. So wo ba wa ha na wuni asetena na wo ba no wo no wa ha nko no atena ha 7 years or qualify for indefinite leave to remain and ask Yabemano 2.5 no. Now, when you 5 years, I am on indefinite leave. The other part, no, so no, your man or my co school wahano. Don't say, do baby now your application a more more. And I'm your British nationality. Yes, I was some your English language, you know. From April, now, new requirement be on the by exemption for English, you know, or A level and answer Scottish national qualification now. So what co school waha from below the age of 18 now wɔ A level ɛwɔ UK A level mesrɛ mo ɛnyɛ Ghana A level ɛyɛ UK A level te sɛ yɛmmɛ yɛwɔ faase no mu no a ɔma kɔ school wɔ ha no sɛ wakɔ school wɔ ha nkoa no wɔ A level nkoa in English literature ɔnyɛ English language test no mesrɛ mo montie ne yie menka sɛ A level in sports management and hotel and tourism and as economics. Me see A level in English literature. So A level in English literature and there on English language test no, for both private family life and also for points-based system. No. I don't see a good news. The other good news are abano EU for more apply for more fastenum and extended family members are or more refuse more appeal. And I saw mo refuse so there be adena twam na wontimi nya biom no mo nyina sesia no concession no mo de buy no o mo de abehye law nim enti eno nso sesia eno nso abeye law very very interesting so finally no UK government now admitted so a mistake with extended family applications you know because that time no after 2021 now I was so curious a specified document. So see and more application before ye free mu December ni nyina no. Oko appeal one ko appeal. Once our application na wo by the 20th no. I was here the mount now the ba and also mo decision or right of appeal. Manyati are very interesting. Particular areas new developments are about especially from Kola for English and for EU extended family members, you know, Ningina boa ama ediano. The final one I'm a person medeba Ukraine for. One who say yes say opesa oje Ukraine etina ufia I was so register online. Na ye assessment. Ye approve wa na ya ma anya omonombe macho. Ya do o details no beto ho na another website na Moama match mo ho ana wa choose the wope ana Ukraine na choose but charities be brave wo ho a omo ye matching no and eventually no ye the charities no beto ho na ye approve wa obetimi afre charity no na omo match with the Ukrainian ade a wo provide Ukraine no a bedroom warm bedroom ade a wo provide keke wo provide aduane wo provide nsuo wo provide drink we provide English lessons. Adia will provide a warm bedroom. Na Mr. bedroom ne shared bedroom. And yes or no money better. And I said when you're sleeping partner and you want to know better. A warm bedroom for a single person. Anna a Bible mouska a 350. Says kind of yes all fun internet each year. A bibi ade mauka say you know ya the dawas sa wafa ubi atna ho. Na says kana wonfa nto aduane ma no ana wonfa nto nsuo ma no ono na oba no o mema ne sika ye be ma na visa obetimi aye adwuma obetimi akọ school obetimi a host no for 1 year na 1 year no aye 350 a month o metua no upfront ni nyina amaw na sika no wo ho council nso o mo je refugees no ye ma mo £10,300 council biya for any refugee. Enti mo adoye ewo muye no se mu betimi na wo menkase mesremo menkase tu ba na oba no meda wo bedroom na fa wo bedroom no ma Ukraine you know because the person ko je 350 mesremo oba no won a bedroom ama no na ho so wo spare bedroom ubetimi aye mo council accommodation no munim say restrictions wo ho. But I think so for the purposes of councils, na kase enyadia ombe miem. Ana more second homes, so your requirement under the 2004 Housing Act for multiple occupation. It may be so was all register, but it looks laws about housing are restricted apart from Section 10. Overcrowding and the own relaxing. Timisramo, what we are interested from a nano march and start and 18th. To March and I started from there, but ultimately register anytime. On by your friend light touch DBS, criminal checks, background information. because some in Kolawum will be one be or a predator, non predatory, and how be, and also a criminal record about violence. Now went to me in Koya. Into my criminal checks, almost friend a light touch DBS, quick one. Now my Ukrainian no bet me about on channel, a Ukrainian my approval or modern a good website. I'm bet me a match. And it seems all the while a good news. We back as na Africa for you the problem. Abrofono and ban you over quickly. Now question me be so be answer wo Ghana ni wo Africa, wo Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Liberian. Time and Sierra Leone, Ethiopia, and Somalia for your job refugee. Who of our Diana? And what it is, a modern day because of social media, no? You who the pain and the death and the sadness are air coso. I think say I don't know I do in aba. You believe say in future young kasama nyame masamba. Nyame fanche so be to African country bia. Sani ye hu no ye be hu the same thing. And as a young Africans no ye betimi aka ye ho abom na ye aboa ye nuanom.
Uncle Ben, some more. That's the update. Yenua Bema, Ezekiel Johnson, say, oh, I no pay the good news in Kwa, no cre, to the be ocean news now, no, I been but say, Nyabi say, good news be say, Wabeme bukra, or a regime say, there is something good coming your way. Intenom, yeah, yen krata sem ewo sam and yen kwala based on yen kwala ne so 7 years no. Good news basisi a enye 2 yes quarter 2.5 ye friend quarter we dey enye quarter biom either so benya 5 years no na so benya straight indefinite. What a amazing good news ayati anope sanso na COVID restriction, ya buy and that deal, ya buy and that the bank, well, honor, or say Ghana so nyash ashensi, on shash so non fanye example. Now, so $150 ni $1 now, it's still a air consumer, airport to why you see even this week, or mudi electricity, how may I call cancel?
Yeah, Manyati, Matisse weekendy, a buy no omo cabinet meeting, so I'm check it. On my review, border closures, COVID restrictions, and taxes on fuel, and a sane mano. My own cousin Bompire Mamo, and Yami Momunyansa, and Entiasia. No Muntimi. The last time I make Ghana, no, so 50, some of me a Ghana and Intimico Ghana with the Ghana passports in Echo, and near $50. Mistakenly, me could two. But me do Ghana, no, Omo Mammy, another receipt. Next time, be I make Ghana, may use. Na minti abiom enti e was some review na omo I hope say your president and a cabinet ministers nyame be mo abotoye ene akomapa na omo de yi restrictions in say free ho
kebe de pa na yen mu bia ya doga na o say yeko na sika nti ya twetwen ya yo uncle be da wase. And then the UK kwala na English literature uncle Ben na make it clear English literature, English literature, A levels, then you'll be exempted from writing the B1 and as an English test not to get to update your status and also so finally EU extended family wow on the too much EU extended family application boom fretiti they be come see see then whether no or yes no ye de maye enti no ye de nyame ase for once no ye sorry anopa se na nneoma bebre ye positive or ya bra be mu a ma wo ye adwuma kra na wo de nije ye adwuma se ne anopa me ni agi enti anko be ye besa adawase biom yo oni adofo ma mo nko ba bia mo ntwe ma mo nko ba bia mo ngina ene ade e ba besua ehu hia yi ehu hia eno nso ye new thing na nyame adoma next month from April, someone say April dear afifoforo ewo UK ha enti nyoma bebre ebe sha ase April month no enti no mamunko bebi ebe introduce the topic in a moment but me acknowledge na hwefo ne medofo kakra ewo Facebook ne YouTube ne so Margaret Edumensa nyame nhyira wo de aba o si share yeah nua Sandra Fraser say good morning sir and beautiful man Sandra Medas nyame nhyira o si share Paya was so Paya say interesting topic ampa or say call someone to listen or Paya Kenneth Kofi Oforiboatin say good morning. Kofi Antubam on board. Kofi Antubam, Miss Mema, special good morning and no pay. Yo, Sandra, the information you hear, will BWF Solicitors. O ma share, yes, in your contact you, mon senior, in some of your baby ho kita ho, bibi na opese utu ho anamo a, numbers a obefre, ni nyina ewo honom ye de abegu so, enti bomodia fanama no na tre, especially the emergency number no, embia na ho akwokyere o baby, you can call, you can leave a message ana bibi no afre office no nso emwa bia na ye de amount ewo honom. Nti yenko Ezekiel Johnson yeda ase na oberima obrempom ansa udin ye de ankasa o say good morning manye, and then Uncle Ben or the inchia eso ede ma any viewers nyina monhye o sa no all can free legal advice na yebekọ so a na just say yemre no so eko. I will still continue to acknowledge you as time goes on. Prisla Ajiman michia o baby biara owo enti no yenko so ene no yahwɛ system no mo sɛnea ɛyɛ ana bibi foforɔ ɛbɛba meka sɛ when we are dealing with BWF solicitors no ɛnyɛ agorɔ ɛnyɛ joke nokura toro na meka kyerɛ no ɔmo ne home office any changes no it's like twins ansa na ɔmo bɛdwene ho koraa ka sɛ ɔmo de ba no na ɔmo ama BWF solicitors ɔmo aso ate dada. I'm telling you a gospel fact. So saa na ɛteɛ enti ade foforɔ a ɛɛbɛ yi yɛabɔ yɛ amaneɛ yɛabɔ BWF so amaneɛ sɛ mom kantra mo adofo mo kantra mo itiefo mo kantra mo community no, because it's all about the community. Say na eba any say me do me kunu me do me yere ye nyina yakwa aware de eye obia ni gye aware ho ema ye nyini na edu baabi na ware ya na wotete trese bibi how aden na men ware na nyame ya adom a na wonye obema ware a eye ni jesem nti aware de eye na mom se nipa mienu kohia a eye na ansa na mode bia no mfom obi ntumi ho fom no obi na ne suban asesa obi na bibi nti na afi odo no eso ate enti no ne etre nyina obehu a yese yen divorce na eba ni divorce nsam nso a obi to make say mempene divorce no obi nso to make say memfi ukra o divorce o one divorce o mempene so obi nso ka say you go ahead and divorce I don't care just say eba ni divorce nsam a bebre and before no ukoye o fufa divorce mo nsam a unim say there are process and procedures that you have to follow even up to now before changes eba from next month. Na yesi bibia by a friend no fault divorce. Sa brofo akese we no fault divorce. No fault there me de ba ya yenkro mu kase mu na che say divorce a mfumso ni so ana embia na enye sa embia na etisa yesi no fault divorce. Na ene ye ba behwe adekode. Changes ben ena eba next month. Na ya nim if we should go into a bit a family law ni mo call divorce a yenim say sa divorce eye act bia meka act na che say law bia wo ho so person divorce obi a ana say obi divorce a nyoma o say mo fem na ne eba ne say nyame adom on the 6th of April 2022 eye next 2 weeks here be there will be a significant changes to the way marriages are dissolved in the UK. Inti me can dissolve na just say ye twitwa aware ni mo ye twitwam na ye twitwam na ye divorce no na bibia ye friend no for divorce no it's meant to take away saying that down no sa animosity na ewo ho any blames na ewo ho no say ukoye divorce say separation 2 years separation ukoye divorce am obema no domestic violence bi che say wa bo we preference na obegina so je say nsem bebre bi wo ho ebi kura maka wie time ekọ ye mpenimu no baba be kirekire mu nti ene no ye ba be hwe sa no fault divorce no eye changes ben. Yenim say many people have questions or anxiety about the new changes are ebe. Kwan ben ye befa so. Ebe ye nije changes ana areho changes. Ebe straightforward changes ana say complicated changes. And no say divorce no pese me divorce no ye see no fault divorce. Into Uncle Ben Mesa atwon biom na mebisa na wakyerɛkyerɛ mu anope. Ye ka say no fault divorce. No fault divorce. Eya de ben na yengyina so ne obeka na yengyina so na mbisa ho questions nkakra. No fault divorce. What is the changing what is this changing what is it all about? Mr. Enidimo kyerɛkyerɛ ye na yeti o.
Okay, well, Manyeti, I'm say, unfortunately, no, a reality of life, and the reality of life is marriages, be a fairly. The last time I'm checking ONS Office of National Statistics, now up to 40% of all marriages fairly. All those age brackets, vary into on average, about 40%. Now, for so many years, now the family group and other interested parties are among the particular, painful nature of marriage breakdown, na effect on colossal and relationships, na almost feel say advisable say you bet me ama sa unfortunate marriage breakdown no a bit less acrimonious and as painful. Ain't the essence of no fault divorce a binding susu is a bema acrimony, a bema pain, a bema dispute, a bema long lingering hate a word divorce nimuno a swate. Now more reason de kani because sesiano the current law no a behavior based blame based divorce and as we become misbehavior based divorce no. I was so portion blame under section 1 of the Matrimonial Causes Act of 1973 no. As I speak, say what person we divorce I was say what portion 1 of 5 blames. Ebi adultery, ebi unreasonable behavior, ebi desertion, ebi 2 year separation, ebi 5 year separation. Now nyina blame because law no expect say obema a catalog of events and no chere either the adultery, the unreasonable behavior, the separation, and also the desertion. Invariably, families almost breaking up, especially almost children and uncle and almost properties on beche. So blame apportionment, and any resolution about incola any property distribution and our financial settlement, and money very difficult. Now ebi wo for years, omon kasa, even omon macro omon kasa. And the new law started from the 6th of April. All those current application for divorce, so who person used to the current law, I was so filed by the 31st of March. From the 6th of April, you see no fault divorce. No fault divorce. I did a say we will divorce. Yeah, amended section 1 of the Matrimonial Causes Act of 1973. Ade a obeka say ma warrior negu yentimi embombium. Wo ye statement sa wonni say obe explain it. Wo ma excuse, wo ma reasons, wo ma date, wo ma nipa cause my relationship no bu egu ye no. De obeka say relationship no egu. Say relationship no egu dia na court no be fa ho ama divorce. Enti the essence and the meaning of no fault divorce no and necessary no o ye divorce Obama 1 of 5 reasons, but from the 6th of April, no, reason be Obama a broad statement. So wa warrior na egu na eguma irretrievable and I say muntimi enkambum.
Okay.
Na no any idea aba. Enti nhihye wo ho nti ubisame a ebia me explain it further am obi ehwe yeah.
Medase nti eno sa na sisi a aba ne se ne me ne me kunu wo hwa me reason na makwa catch na my application say aware me pebio egu enti mama me divorce na me yes ade na And one say a back grant me so yeah, adhere to me amount divorce, and now there is a waiting period, and now process be or send me film patcho. Say if there is a waiting period, Emre Ben, and now a dear or send me ye, it was a Emre Monso patcho.
Okay, well, I mean, first of all, no, the only reason I would be is say our renegu muntimin kambo broken down irretrievably. That's the only reason. A sound very simplistic, but Mr. Me view you say obi anywhere or you happy when I worry more or bet your court say my worry no. It doesn't make sense. You know, say we are happy. Our relationship, my relationship, no. Why every effort, several years, so be ye na enye year, na you know na a year no akase. Enti, although say it sounds simplistic, you know, it's not simplistic. Almost the inbuilt safety net abem. Sa inbuilt safety net, you know, from the first process of application to the last process, you know, divorce, you know, ebe take it 6 months.
Okay.
And from the first time divorce application, say I am friend a divorce petition bio, your friend a divorce application. From the first time ube issue divorce application, no. Court no ebe train 20 weeks. Ansana ye go aware no. And wuna wo conditional order na, omesa train 6 weeks. Ansana yama o final order no. Process no say first application no applicant and your petitioner. The respondent no and the other person no respondent. Still you maintain the dean respondent. Bear in mind say mumienu mubetimi agree some warrior nego. Ama mumienu moye application to your friend joint applicants. So either a single applicant or joint applicants. But just remember, say, our Arabian anywhere will be to me a good until say 1 year, abba. And two into me warrior net chinawaka say me good, and yet possible. And warrior after 1 year, no, say, problem be wo na a problem, ama warrior ne egu, obia intimin sisi a warrior na. Ade a we ya say, we statement. We file statement na within the divorce application forms, no. What the Bemana na or Bana or your respondent, no. What an address and an email. Sisia no application, ubet me no online. I a friend a digital application. And I said ubet me a paper, I file from D8 and I said D11. Either way, no, ubet me the starting process, no. So file from D8 online, I digital process now. O fail forms now. Ade a woka say me akua kwansima me ware nana kwabena oredu date say sa date say aye ware an address aye tena ni na emo me ka kire mo sa ware ni egukodwo a yentimi nsiesie no oreku ono na address ni na ne emails ni enti court no be twro oreku aka kire oreku say oreku akua kwansima e de application abasa ma ware no egu na aware na egu no eni bibi okan bia na email ana yede ama o link yede ama o ni ko sa link iso na correspond enti ono so be respond or respond a court no be train for 20 weeks from date na omo issue you know omo train for 20 weeks na omo issue bibi a friend of conditional order na nene ye friend decree nisi ana decree na sai eno ana ye conditional decree e chesa aware ne yegu no na emum yengu ni final edu onso a ye besa atwen 6 weeks say e bia mo betimi aka bom ana so mo anka bom na still mo feel say aware na gukojo a na ne court no ebe ma the final order no ene no ye friend decree absolute no na mafa so aye de was some yes mo application bi a mo be within the ancillary relief procedures as see a friend of financial settlement no and our financial arrangement no why our application no de aye enti manyati a very straightforward procedure but within that no you will safety net it protect you bia the other thing I'm person mechanic say see no oba ana bema esi ojawa ubetimi e defend ene ya making ubetimi agase da bi wunya no na ware ni ngui ama mako court na mako yes argument no from the 6th of April no wintimi and challenge oba na be ma ne ka se aware na gu na yentimi nsiesia the only grounds I will be a challenge are 2 grounds. One, I say was a court no any to me so be asem no into jurisdictional challenge. And a 2, so well mon ware no crop as okasa ware na nya ware. There be on ware nipa no. Ti ade no si ujao. And I say because of fraud no or for sa ware na nya ware. It may be instances ware no enya ware. It may be say ebi a bema feel say ware oba na emum sa oba na ofo say ware no your bema na che say mema mienu e no nya ware ana say ebi a court no any jurisdiction ebi ana mote ha de bezesi amuni ha mote Ghana ana mote Timbuktu ana Somalia ana Ethiopia ana say wo kra no why issue petition ni bi wo Ghana dada enti we issue wa ha o say case ni pending before another court enti na court ni need to me say obetie sa case ni wa ha. Those are the only 2 grounds: jurisdictional challenge and then validity of the marriage, either because of fraud and as some other reason. Unfortunately, it's what it is. It is the current regime eba. More application wohono. So we application by the 31st of March or be caught under the old regime. So we person caught under the new regime. I was your application by the 6th of April.
Oh, okay. All right. Yo, Uncle Ben, yeah, that's it. And Nanka, I've got a few questions. I maybe sir, but last bit now they come. Maybe sir question. I'll just hold that in my mind first. Now, maybe sir, into a new law, be suppose this is here no me dona sa me pese me traso. Na me who say be front so me nyanke neno. Would that be possible? Say men can say me divorce no ma started dada. Current lawyer. Fufro ne nshasi na fufro yi ba bebe media ma shasi will the new one affect it bacho?
Well, obia was starting a divorce under the current law no enye affected divorce bia ya started by the 31st of March up to the 5th of April. So we file divorce no by the 31st of March na court no issue no by the 5th of April, we are under the old regime, which is the current regime. So we file a divorce on the 5th of April. We file online. Na court issue by the 6th of April. Be reject with divorce na return our application. Just bear in mind, sir, under your family proceedings route and our family procedure rules wuntimi and serve court and serve divorce outside the UK. Enti ano nso your grounds I was say wohu. Ba o metimi serve by email. Ay crucial say wo beti ase say although say paper application wo ho betimi use D8 no the IO application no. Just kai say what challenge divorce currently utimi issue will challenge within 28 days. Under the old regime, which is the current regime, or 20 days. Under the new regime, so we challenge both under jurisdiction and validity, and also say but I will say we use D11. Now the year we challenge, now the year within the law, also your separation order, and also pese uja ware na, but pese we separate here, and also betimi a file under your law, current law, and in the old new law are banning na why is separated. To remember separation order, na what the address why is separated.
Oh, okay. So in that case, when you want Matthias paper application, any online and as a digital application, Enkobani says, "See, I am here, Nuna, I just to say a person is there any way that we can instruct one solicitor and as a one lawyer to represent us?"
Well, I mean, first of all, lawyer be a duty for conflict of interest. Okay. The only time I'm going to mean joint applicants, anywhere there's evidence of domestic violence, and the we a lawyer, but we a lawyer we be taking instructions from the 2 applicants. Say almost all my worry and go. Yes, lawyer bet me I represent him too. Possible said lawyer bet me I represent him because there is no dispute. And a dispute will cry. Nipa ntimi challenge. Where mumie no matimo ho asesa ware na gu na ye ntimi nsiesie no. Mu betimi a instruct nipa baako na wa represent him.
Oho na nke be ye hwe ni ye o embia ne o se ne a o kan no dispute there nti ase wo ho na akoba ne se dispute wom na me feel say BWF Solicitors no me good at divorce application. Now Obama no so say BWF no me good nti nyina ye mfa nkọ so ya BWF Solicitors na nti sa conflict of interest whereby there is dispute no hard me say be hard.
Well, first of all no divorce na nkasa na friend no for divorce nti dispute be anyhow. Okay. Where munyina independently mwaji atum sa ware na gu no na mo pesa mo ye joint application mutimi ye ewo mo a mutimi ye ana lawyer timi ye mamo possible but where mwaji atum no then there's no dispute. The only future dispute be about financial settlement and be a dispute beba ho but I know they different people betimi instruct different lawyers and I know no problem but for the divorce application and your divorce petition and to move say you simplify English, instead of divorce petition, a friend of divorce application. Instead of decree NASA and decree nisi, a friend of conditional order. Instead of decree absolute, a friend of final order. Petitioner, a friend of applicant. And a respondent, still or a respondent. Say respondent ni applicant ni jitum, sa wariene gu. Na omo ye divorce. Last 2 weeks minye bisa omo mienu nyina ba manim but unfortunately now say me catch baako say I was sorting outside I'm dealing with baako because of conflict of interest because currently I was say what the fault be a fault won't be there's a dispute but ye fault ni free ho then there's no dispute.
Hey, more de. Ya beba Facebook ni YouTube for ya beba. Maybe some question back when sana me be a telephone line. Uncle Ben, o tre bibi mo about just 2 grounds per 100% yes ebe mo kakra. 2 grounds a ubetumi agina so. Ohono ubetumi agina so say mempini our rejaye na say I'll go ahead and divorce. We see 2 grounds either judicial and I say the validity of the marriage Intenu sa no say meka say me jao ana me jaware na the respondent ne say pinia eno ne be based on these 2 grounds na ana say ohono mpacho me manti ase yinti me gidi say sanso na embia obi susu anti ase obetumi achecho ho ne kakra bia maya na mpacho.
Okay, court bia ewo tumi a oditie asem enti Ghana court ewo tumi auditie asem UK cry your English court and your Scottish court. Me am a solicitor no me qualified in England and Wales. Me to me court Scotland enko kasem I just my special permit. So na me qualify wa Ghana no me ko Ghana me to me ko yi me UK certificate into ho say me lawyer from England to the Supreme Court of England enti mama me to me but I was saying me Ghana qualification to ho. So na Ghana court no entimi emu asem a omuni to me. Enti ye frame be jurisdiction. Jurisdiction no ye court ni to me a oditi asem no. Enti power na court ni di no. And then the jurisdiction no. Enti ube hu se Ghana ube hu mobile radio so be Cambrofo akese. Oh, there's a jurisdictional dispute. Jurisdictional dispute. To say Ghana constitutional case bia na was say Supreme Court. Okay, into High Court intimity. Ghana human rights case be started or High Court. Intimi fan come magistrate court. So na hanso. So we divorce. Ye were grounds for jurisdiction. Enti se matena hada na one party te ha obetimi divorce wa ha. Matena hada by na munyina monte ha. Mo ye domiciled and are habitually resident in another country. UK and I say English court intimity. Enti se me wa Ghana na and I said, "Bia obi wa Ghana na yere nso wa Ghana na bia na yere nso Ghana omunyana ate Ghana na afale wo UK o se oni ete ha 20 years ago nti UK na mehu say no fault be person me file wo ho a There be met me a challenge as a lawyer namano. Say no, court in any jurisdiction because parties no and you're habitually resident and also when you're domiciled. And near Frebibi Euro 2, Euro 1, Euro 2, and also a European jurisdiction. But you see, it is hard in a crime fire home. I'm friend of Brussels 1 and Brussels 2. To see Brussels 1, Brussels 2, no crime so near Juma. And to UK, Ejina ho as an independent country. And unfortunately, no. The other part and also a validity.
Yes.
Say, our be a invalida. Sabio Abia, Obi feels our quiet engagement, our Ghana. Now, Obana said there be a customary marriage. No, Obano, and I bear man filing for divorce. Say, me file divorce our UK, and fancy be a 10th of April. Now, Obana behumia, I see there be lawyer, there be oh, me young cranny, young cran for no, Ebashi Agbo, Agbone Ebashi, Ekpekomi. Obe board them, Obe Koko, Ware me. That said that we customary marriage. Me challenge application no for invalid marriage. And I say marriage no nye valid because a nye marriage a engagement. And because a engagement no ultimate divorce nipa no. So those are the two limited grounds.
Right.
Jurisdiction I court ni to me on the BT asem no. And I say aware no na nya aware.
Okay.
And I say enya ware because of fraud. And I say minim say me ware oba and so chire me call no say no oba na ye bema. Enti aware no nya ware enti. Me pese. Those are the grounds I'll be to me there.
Okay, well explained, honestly. I believe, sir, those listening to this explanation would definitely get it right now. Uncle Ben, thank you so much. Now, I'm going to open the telephone lines in case you have any questions. It could be based on this particular topic that we discussed, and or otherwise, you are still free to ask your questions anyway. Let me acknowledge some of you on Facebook. Payal, this man is intelligent. Uncle Ben, God bless you. Kudos, Uncle Ben. Wumpini Adams, I say good morning, Professor Ben. Mami, if I say hi, Mama T, nice to see you again. Mami, if you are Miss Medas, nice to see you or to hear from you rather. About Sandra Fraser or say, oh, share, please give your friends and family opportunity to benefit from this opportunity. Important update. And Timon Kosunamon share. There is this lady, Atta Gloria. Now, Gloria Atta Obisa, are you in Ghana? How can one reach you? About Sandra Fraser, Eddie, all the details, no, about the 200. And Gloria Atta, if you are still watching us now, which I believe so, no, just contact the numbers. We have emergency number, we have the lawyer's number, we have the office number. Just contact these numbers, and then we have an office in Ghana as well. So we also operate from Ghana, or we operate from here to Ghana, both ways. Intinobe to me in your numbers, no ewo. Ezekiel Johnson say, she agbo kokoko bani ekele nakaino ejewa and ajima. See, good morning everyone. Uncle Ben is the law in person. Yes, the working law in person. Uncle Ben, in Crawford Israel ewo. Legal hours, send your questions on WhatsApp. Yes, legal hours is here. Mr. Send all your questions. WhatsApp, you can send. No, if you call, in case you call and it goes to voicemail, please don't leave message in the voicemail, but rather you can leave a voice note. When you go to WhatsApp, the microphone, the icon, just click on it and then leave a very short message under 1 minute, and I'll play that for Uncle Ben to give you your answer. Miss Remoni Demo. Numbers I did money 0208 123 1016. Friend number na ebeba say outside the UK now we use to Skype. When you call on the Skype now, you can get through to us. Sounds no bit means so afre 075 399 073 Miss Remo 073 9920 8468. May science is subium 073 9920-8468. When you call this number as well, you can get through with your answer. Also, you can call on WhatsApp only or leave a voice note. WhatsApp only and leave a voice note on 075 966 020154. I repeat, 075 966 20154. We've got our first caller online, and very good morning to you. Where are you calling from, and can you tell us, please, your question?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, you're from Sami, Mekasashu West Camp.
You, Sami, you, Pacho, bisa question.
Okay, Uncle Verde, minimum panibia, when you put a way to Macromo, and I'm saying those in PB on cat. The question basically me, my uncle Ben is my our Minubia worry. Now, it's a May been a bay 3 years. But I'm saying some kakra crabby or say about it, crabby. A woman tea, Pessim Buzanko Ben say, ABM Pessimini Jaya, if you do saying, it's a minimum HI. And say, what you must try so a bit me ahame and Nancy be a Minina and good in Phoebe and Sana, Minini Jaya, into him semi question, Pessim Buzanko Pennon.
Okay, you. Udi can't say from beginning and once I win your crowd. Your Uncle Ben, Pacho Wadaroma.
Well, I mean, first of all, I'm say Nipo kase wa worry EU ni. Ye nyina nso ye nim se o worry EU ni uja worry na we are protected. Your friend be friend a retention of right and I retain right of residence. Definition of retain right of residence under the old style regulation 10.5 and the current annex and our definition parts, ASF first of all, Mawari for at least 3 years, 2, Matana UK for at least 1 year, and at 3, at the time, Uja Nipano no Ukromoha, and I was on our year Juma. And on the requirements, I was a watcher. And to say, our no, I break it down, unfortunately, now beyond repair. Now, we say we so now they are krata. Then, 3 years marriage, 1 year residence in the UK, presence of the person at the date of the application for divorce, and at the time, your final order no, I was said we year juma. It is very important say we follow our requirements because under Article 2.1 of the withdrawal agreement, so our process is under Article 3.1, so our process is covered. You retain it within the law, and Timunya are covered. Or Yanasa and affect you.
Okay, thank you. Onyado for I hope so I can't answer. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Let's read some few questions on board. Pacho me pick you call now. Just give me one second. Why? I have one question here, or the buyache, member modern say mekaya mano. Your friend Yenuaba now, me see. Good morning, everyone. The question is say, I've got married. Sorry, I got married to someone. He has made application through my British child. We submitted it in September 2020. I did it at BWF. Okay, he went to fingerprint July 2021. I've been separated from March 2021. Before we live at Milton Keynes, but I've relocated. I have also submitted my application on July 2021. I haven't heard from them. I've started college and they are asking for my documents. What should I do? Also, I want to seek for divorce as the man is no longer with me. And yenuaba ni question ni Uncle Ben, mpacho ibetumi amane moye kakra.
Well, obi a wire application bia no, so we proof of application na. Oh yeah, application no, you my reference number started with 1212 under private or family life. So under EUSSR started with 3434. And then that's first starting position. Ubenya email ubenya biometric data capture no ubenya letter invite you ubenya letter you know about list of documents ni nyina reference number no also ti se nipa no person check say why your application so we EUSSR ubetimi generate code number no ubetimi dey check status and also ubetimi employer checking service in the same way say college no person mo check here very easy some be check but so we our application under immigration rules I friend of private and I say family life now we are covered under section 3C into all those say we visa na akọwu wo ho no still no omuntimi enkase fikro mu ha sanso na college ni ntimi enkase jai college but say we hear letter obisa o lawyer na be letter ma na what dey akọ.
Okay, yeah, that's Uncle Ben. Other for our home, some patcho, oh, free him, I enter on come.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, patcho. Raise your voice, Kakrama, me why?
You, patcho, that is yeah.
You who are dumb, yeah.
Hello. Patcho, Mr. Free, making Kent now, we say maybe some question about community. Patcho, the decline about Form MN1. Because maybe that's fee no a home update the abana. And second question is here. Young fan is in the process of correcting father's name on a child birth test through DNA. Na child no mother no ejina child no so 2.5 FLRFP. But the new father no and so settled status. So now it say in the process of changing, mother no our FLRFP no, obe losing the continuity of TPNA. And third one also, the mayor from MN1 na why the main applicant abofana na say new father no indefinite.
Oh, here menko. First of all, from M1 no, fee no and sign. Court no say Home Office here rights on budget 2012 and fee no assassin. The second part no was a birth certificate no. Akolana papa no was so na and chakolana de ade koje nationality no. Also why then?
First and foremost, our family young nationality dada. But
now from MN1 no, I don't know okofele so what nationality ya.
The one discover a natural father through DNA. And also also register of friendly PM. If you say never father no and never PM after correction of birth statement.
Mama no wo akola no waware.
Me pacho debi.
Ana owo no. Or the Bema foforo din a ono gi tum se na ye ne papa no, or the ono di din eto so.
Na ye say ne papa.
Okay. Anna akola na enya British citizenship through that. But yenje citizenship no.
Okay, nya NJ.
Na ada na okoye application for nationality.
Say or juni say isan say Mamma no titi ujina abofra na so no na odwen say in case say ye gi na obe lose the continuity no or the same birth date new year go be say from MN1 no na or register abofra na be British na nye wasa ejina ne pana supi
Akola na dia he
if I show 4
over 4 years.
if I join.
Okay. Well, first of all, no, untimi register akola oya British dada. Omonje, once omonje, you know, or oya British, okay? For us, no, until some make a decision. The fact say akola at the time of the man, no, you're entitled. Omonje, enti. Obi entran just say through DNA, no mabe hu say nyane papa no, which means the next time biya no, akola no fill a form or the neighbor pankasa DNA beshe so. But the continuity of residence no affected no or an application the ban that's so you're British into no no the because the problem with the British Nationality Act no so we are British dada wouldn't mean register as a British national even our guidance notes no so we have application and into na ya nationality application you be sending the grandfather details and then the parents' details, just to make sure say on your British dada. As far as I'm concerned, I'm on Jim Free Unsema and still a colony British. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. Before I may pick another call, no, Mr. Minkai, Facebook and so questions, maybe kakra. Yenya Bema, sorry. Or say, if someone do EU marriage application and Home Office reject the marriage as fake, when beside question, you only made a statement. Until Kofi Edu Kakari, Pachosa, okay, my friend married to EU national and put in application 2010. Home Office refused the application on the basis that the marriage is fake. 2019, he relied on his child to make application. On the form, he was asked if he is married before. What should he write? Hey, that question, the Uncle Ben, Patron, before me who question this, and I am me who near mo pese o can na ntinia wo beka no betra to ana pacho in bisa yo pacho yen answer yen be my Kofi Eduka.
Well, I mean the concern is say Home Office our any faker. The first our fake, you know, and just say enya worry. For purposes of immigration, no, there will be a friend of either sham marriage or marriage of convenience.
Okay.
Even within sham marriage and marriage of convenience, you know, differences. Yeah, marriage be a marriage of convenience, but a valid marriage, because say what worry will be or domoa, but worry no, maybe I'm not imagine some worry, but worrying because worry now be your own crata. A marriage of convenience, but a genuine marriage. Until when I won't be no, still no court and say a marriage of convenience. In that case, you know, still no, obey me at what. You know, or worry and so. But where Sikasa Sansa, which be a sham marriage, you know, that itself, you know, still not a marriage. Into Nipano to me, Gassa, me 12 scanam the year into Nyawari. I just say, well, Guno. Oh, yes. Obey to me, I a nullity, someone die for lack of consummation. But, you know, I was so a divorce application. And she besides, I was so cast, yes, that. That's the answer.
Okay. Yeah, never. Because my idea never some idea. My say ye chumo, my that. Sana na me tears. Uncle Ben, thanks for the explanation though. Yo, share another question back on so one sana maba what's happening so or see my question is Aban one Smith Cornelius. My question is, I am inviting my family to my marriage in UK. I want to do a group application for all the invited members. Is this possible? And how simple is the process? Uncle Ben, can you help? I'm waiting. Yo, Aban one.
Well, BBN why a friend group application. Application is based on its own unique facts. And to what the there's a link of family visit that's there. What they were done for bar, I were done for. Obia and applications separately. Obia facts are different. To want to be your group application. But upesa o year reference. Say my invite way my omo ba me word na. O cover letter na obet me actual wom my oma hu sa ade ni na.
Yo, Uncle Ben, yeah, that's it. And you know, many of them are ban one, and now Uncle Ben, you are no. Yeah, share few questions I've got on the WhatsApp here. Yeah, boss, say hi. I applied to extend my 2.5 years as a parent on the 10-year parent route. It's been over 6 months, and now I want to take actions against the UKVI using the pre-action protocol. Please give me the email address I can use to get to them. I tried calling, but to no avail. Thanks. Enti minia ti Uncle Ben na ye hu say na man ye de ma and say kwan foforo ho a or say wo fast wa. Why? Uncle Ben, the question or no?
First of all, no. So why I ready say we a pre-action protocol. I was so ready say omamfa good response amba odi ombeko court. Pre-action protocol, no idea can say we our application. na anaasɛ aban ne wo ayɛdi biribi a ɔne wo ndi ne yie a wobɔ no kɔkɔ nti yɛfrɛ biribi CPR anaasɛ civil proceedings rule within that no biribi a ɛyɛ biara ɛwɔ sɛ wo try sɛ wobɛsettle no first ansa na akɔpie court nti wo pre-action protocol anaa letter before action no wode bɔ nipa no kɔkɔ sɛ adeɛ a wode yɛ me ni nti mema wo time sɛ woanyɛ a mede wobɛkɔ court na sɛ woma no saa time no na wanyɛ no wamfa no ankɔ court a ɔno nso bɛhu sɛ ɔmu a mokyerɛkyerɛ saa adeɛ no ma anyɛ koraa montumi mfa me nkɔ court nti da biara no ɔnkasa wo ho wobɛtumi use the complaint process will online home office complaint process anaasɛ wobɛtumi akɔhu wɔ MP ne nyinaa ɛyɛ adwuma but metia menni complaints email no ana pre-action protocol email no but offer office na ɔmbɛtumi ɛde ama wo.
Okay, you Uncle Ben, that's it. Only other for our friend Pacho, Mammy, 1 minute. Hold on 1 minute, Mammy. Why? More about Facebook, Nesunya, Yamenshram, more YouTube, Nosunya Menshram. Please keep sharing. Ma Obinsu Elhunia, Yayawaha, and Tibia, a best sorry. So now just stay with us. Namunti, more, the more na Eddie Bremo. Yenya other phobia, Humanes. So Pacho, Nama, and the 6922. Your Frau Sena, Okasa frame, I enter.
Good morning, Wanyeti. Morning, Uncle Ben. You're from me, Kobe. Uncle Ben, introduction for 7-year route. Because of how I bet me a call sheet, that new updates, in terms of all your application.
7-year, they're not the bet or the bar introduction.
Yeah.
Mate.
Or say, there.
But during our introduction, we made mention of say,
Nkolano 7 years, they are one of Wahano, Utimiko indefinite straight, and I had to 5 years, 2 years. Or person who law and also person who day.
But also person who law and now person who proceed.
I know the new updates in the same in coaching in terms of your application.
Oh, a new immigration law Modiaba.
Hold on, Uncle Ben.
Mema adai at the acto we no so now will be why? Yeah, mema adai the acto so. Don't worry. Now one section of the law no. Omo amend both paragraph 276. Paragraph 276 no na omo amend no. When him say paragraph 276 AD for private life, long residence. Eno na omo amend no. Eho na wo but me the specific way no be ma my embe 2 minutes me the better why?
Okay. Yo, and many other for Uncle Ben the way act na better no. Why so I will ube with your application. Why? Yeah, that's it. Bye. Yo, other for one who must some patch when they do so. Yeah, Froze and I'll cast a frame and tell Mr.
Good morning, Maneti.
Good morning.
Good morning, Uncle Ben.
Good morning.
First of all, me were 2.5 so now 10 years now, Masisa call 5 years route.
Okay.
But Obana menene wo ye no. Akra na ni true baby no hu enema du akra no na eja okoye tie ni. Okoye tie ni no hu say akra no enya mepa.
Enya wo ba.
Said ya odi ba so mepa. Me gina ne so de ye niema no. Wo hu say enya mepa.
Okay.
And you say at the end of me aye so far as opiani I say me ba na say nya me ba me in between me but me what that route me so aye cons akra ne papa so wo ho a no so air pray so e be ne ba nti ye nim de e betimi asi daachi by say me ne oba ne ware me timi ba bi no so woni ba bi at the end e betimi aye possible outcome. Say maybe papa ni be hu say ne ba e be say me so me root na me was so media na me gidi say akra ne ye me ba oja yes oba time
onim ne papa
nti o de ba ye na ja me so ma ye ma afa mu dia me kuso ya up to date just akra ni no certain signs bia ohu one ho no oba no hu say no we dey ma den koye we no koye me kra na me nim later on and all catch me. And the second question is to say, Meso me na me wo akwara ofia ti say wa ba krom a one ne maame ye jaye ba one ne maame aba krom a ne maame ekita I think say 5 years so or 5 years root or dia ware ne ba ye na me ba no enya me ankasa me ba no e wo indefinite so bibi ni a me de akwara no me a me ba ankasa minim say me papa me ni woman e ja ware ansa na me ba me echina sa me ba ne so I'm show responsibility omo ba ye no me send scam omo me ye yes me ye e ma ono so me echina ono so e de na ye bibi ana
yo papa yeah that's so you're tough pal yo I'm gonna be you my wife.
Yeah, I mean, yes, of course. Say, oh, eba, ana eba no ma, na one no family life. Family life no chese one abrabo, but wuhunu, odi no ko school, odi no ko GP, which na there swimming, scout, girls guide, bibia one ne yebom na or evidence wo hona ne ma mebe bullet na mawa. Of course, obetimi ejina akola no so. In your case, no, oba no so oba na the 5 years ne buy. And our colano were indefinite leave. Yes, under your law, no, sir, a colawo 7 years indefinite leave, British citizen, in country, ubit me apply. So our limited leave, entry clearance, ubit me apply as a parent of a child. And to ubit me, initial 1 hour case or baby, you know, I know the maintain ye me comment on that. But the bottom line is ubetimi agina obi oya wo baso a wo hwe no nyesika enko a in fact ehwe no nyesika ehwe no ye odo emotional attachment o won a life a wo kire no de wo se wo kire no wo ne ye ne homework o co parents evening sa na ma ne o ya o evidence a ubetimi agina so the application.
Okay, yeah, that's it, papa. Odofo bi gyina Amarasan patro gyina so 1 second mami why na insɛ me Uncle Ben sɛ me kyerɛ mo kakra nea na ɔka odi kan ye no minim sɛ there has been a new law bi a nkrɔfo gyina so de yɛ nneɔma na me ka ne ya bebo mu kakra na kyerɛ sɛ ɔbaa na ɔne ne wo akwalaa na ɔgye akwalaa no onim sɛ ɔno ne ba nti wegyina akwalaa ne so na ɔde twa tot nkakra nyame adom wetwa akonya 7.5 ɛne sɛ afei na owura nankasa a ɔno ɔhyɛ nyinsɛn na DNA prove sɛ ɔno mmom na ɛyɛ papa no ɔno si daabi mehwɛ akwalaa ne ho na ho ɔfɛ no na ɛkyerɛ sɛ nti makɔyɛ DNA me ho sɛ me ba nti me so me ba abɛgyina me ba ne so nti ɔhwɛ sɛ eba ne saa na ɔno na wenya tot 7.5 no ne future de na ebesi ama no sɛ nka ne second option ya ne badada bi efri Ghana aba na eni hɔ a nka ɔno no ne second option and the first option de na ebesi ne future bibi saa na ɔpɛ ebisa no. Sorry Uncle Ben.
So what family life when you call family life ubetimi agina na so bear in mind say anya parenting kwa ba obi a wa assume parental responsibility our colana life wono as far as you are concerned now we are parent so we are parent yama 2.5 3 times ubetimi aya 4th one once bibia ye okay no okoso hwa akola no that's what you need okoso hwe akola no so we dey no go school which na there we dey no go swimming this animal na of course ubetimi aye possible so ubetimi aye ubetimi a switching so you so oba no now we dey top up now I 10 years no because insio mienu no aye family life no partner and a parent intimi nkan bomu emma settlement.
Okay.
No, intimin kambom. Enti another 10-year route no. So wo ye partner and wo ye parent 10-year route. Wo ye application wo nya no under partner na under parent. No, intimin ye under any of them. I was say wo ye under long residence paragraph 267, paragraph 276. A silly law, very silly, very, very silly. It's one of the part of the law. It doesn't make sense. That's an Obaha just say what overstay and sana wait me application. Because sa route, when you start as partner, either 5 years or 10 years, or partner. But wait me as switch it about parent, but just kai. Say under the 5-year route, So we started 5-year route on a partner. Now we 2.5. Now we switch it called parent. Now we say 2.5. Wouldn't mean your application say when you're 5 years. Because under parent, when you're parent 5 years, under partner, when you're partner 5 years. A very silly law. It's a nyadia ye papa kra. But that is what the law is. Until some that is what we have. It just be conscious. But in his case, a parent 4 times. Although say akolano at a point, a best from akola A to akola B, the law is the same because a parent. Right. Okay, yeah.
Okay, that's good then. Yo, so eligibility requirement for settlement on the private life route, say child UK ha requirement for settlement on the private life route. 13.1 or 13.1. The applicant must have been born in the UK and provide the full UK birth certificate. Now, second one, the applicant must have lived continuously in the UK since their birth and for at least 7 years at the date of application. And then the third one, the decision maker must be satisfied that it is not reasonable to expect the applicant to leave the UK and a qualifying period requirement for settlement on the private life route where the applicant was not born in the UK. Yeah, tougher for the to hunting patch or for now bisa we no can say requirement and I de ato ho no odo for one homa so Mr. sorry say mama we dina so a chempacho o ka say frame me ente onka
I'm feel credit
you papa me ente onka yeah that's
me pacho be can you say about Zambrano of a British child no that is because my main communication me fan to man no I should me be na ono ba ono ba na separate.
Okay.
Na amanya problem na copy court. Ntina nkola tu efi ba ku ene ba ku oba nde na e de nkola me nyina de amano. Na ya de amano court order. To oba no be hwe nkola ko once a month under supervision of oba ne mame. Ntima san ka me fan ke ne say on primary care on aman baby on nkola.
Be man wow.
Be man okay. Me find out sa no qualify for zamano no na so qualify for indefinite omo ye no qualify na or qualify.
Okay. Uncle Ben, Pacho
Timobium, also want to qualify for Zambrano.
Pacho,
I'm a France, a Bearman or British, a British passport. And on the Bearman or a Wuyan, through the Barno Yai.
Yeah.
The air corner church, and Obano happy life, and wow, no, Kruman, no, and
what's your honor,
and a court. And social service there, we call a front back, almost no, Obano qualify, and you can call foster home to say weeks, 2 weeks, no. And move quiet at the man, Bearman.
Okay.
Bearman sucro 2 hours for our first second, 2 hours for first one, our second one. And to us on the 4th year, no. And I do call Bearman. About before you coin a Bearman Baba Bacope, Obano so back, no, she one about but it's say move a curious of his Bearman. Yeah, do come in now a Bearman, they didn't abandon your German.
Okay.
And Obano Yaman contact for once a month about a supervision contact. Or my men the best supervisor, or maybe want to make sure Colano. If I announce in this kind of court order, so I want to fairman from the final court order to the Bearman. Bearman quantities, first final. Bearman qualify for Zambrano indefinite now qualify.
Well, Bearman bet me apply for Zambrano. As to whether I saw qualify for indefinite, me period na, me nim period na, court no conclude say oba ntimi nhwe nkola no because it seems we meet it sa we sa threshold na ya deje akola a free way public law. And under Children Act, now your private proceedings, now your public proceedings, where pure public proceedings. Enti obana aye bibi anani suban bi ntino ya jene money free but still our contact, which means court no promote contact, but contact is supervised. One of the reasons I will be debate me and meet Zambrano test, as to whether so benya indefinite straight away meet me because previously so now obano timi hwe nkola na wintimi nka say was a Zambrano leave. But going forward and yes, I'll be qualify for Zambrano.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Pacha what you say there?
Pacha Matias. Let's say let's I say obano any kwala fu say kwano e o bema no.
But say also obano or contact or supervised contact. Once a month. Yeah. But you say pa. Enti obetimi aye Zambrano because Zambrano ni free. Enti onya ne time na wedi 4 years or ha. So odi become one. Na onya 10 years obetimi apply that long residence route But whatever it is on fee for Zambrano no but say under the traditional family life of a parent now obetumi fee I just say qualify for fee exemption. So that is a bit of the advantage in there. But yes, I'll be qualified for Zambrano. Although say my men physically no UK no, but onye capable. Court say onye capable. Say obehwe akola no. Into bit me the agina so there.
Okay. Papa ya dasi. Why?
Okay, that's it. You mean shira boy, you mean shira boy.
So what shape?
Pastor Mati, that's
it. Okay, bye-bye. For MC. Emrene yaso ama so say na ya na nso no ye ni hweka na obi di question ba kwa ba. Okay. Oh, sorry, or no diase. Me answer the question into diase. Yen hwe ejewa nana ajimai say we hu say nia law na tie no Sandra de atoso mo send the questions no 0208-123-1016 name say emre no enya edu ewie ye wo question ba ko say can you withdraw your application if you have done it already and apply under the new law? And they say divorce law na eba in few 2 weeks time to come 6th of April no and na obisa you also be my last caller. Ben Pacho.
Well, I didn't know person withdraw. I mean you didn't person withdraw. But yes, divorce application be a ultimate withdraw. Anytime before my final decree, no bet me withdraw. But say a several petition now in the current dispensation, your friend a petition. So my several petition, I just said, oh your application, na with your fee, my court no, na my withdraw. Yeah.
Okay, into current law na eba no sempe se me ye ne o se me twen after 6th of April na me nye me fan tum and as me to me the tum na ma can say my application is based on the new we na eba no.
No, deadline here 31st and you person your application under the old style I will up to 31st right. So your digital application online because as lawyers no your divorce online. Yeah, paper application BBI online. Lawyer no BBA account with the court services. And now the coordinate or fees and why. So na also person you divorce I'll bet me online. But say okay per one some you divorce see as a test na a old style no current dispensation no and only you do better so. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. The last caller, Nyamin Shrao, Pacho, my ento, Kayemre Naso.
Yo, Maneti, Kwajo, Yamna Masinabal. Name Casapane Bentamon, take the Namekano.
Okay.
Concerning Mena, Nameka, and Kwalan, you know, Nasemno.
Uncle Ben, my church, Mamma, Uncle Ben,
church, but Aquarad, the Nameka to meet me, a Jananeson. Problem Cacao, Akrani bet you said you were in a weekend or banner hobby holiday weekend tonight or call. My problem Kakra and also a war on say or banner me to say if I was papa ne mammy baby or moko and a mammy papa so obey jama. One buy no indeed affect. In case no so the papa ne kaso jama me na ani nim say EU niema bi na omo de buy. E be affect akwara ne niema na na.
Na say akwara also were indefinite. Nti be na affect no.
Nti akwara ne de affect no.
Debbie.
What's say or indefinite and amwa?
Pachan.
Yeah, or be or indefinite. They say won't lose so indefinite. And I just say we fi chromo ha under EU law for 5 years.
Nti maame ne na ani de so jama me na maame ne binya oni papa ne binya issue.
Maame ne be switch akọ ba no so because ne ba no indefinite.
Oh, okay.
So I'm worried 3 years, no at 1 year and so on. So bet me a retention of right. Or here options be brave or why? Into your questions are opa for office. Now lawyers no nyina ho no more. Why?
Pacho you.
Mean who problem be a maybe I wanna create problems for why dream.
Yeah, what she say no kwajo. And now trust say ono so akoya DNA na che say no so agba franchise. Yeah, mre aso. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, why? Bye-bye. Yo, Uncle Ben, say, aha, na ye did you me no. Ebe ye mre nas aye be 11 abo pepe mo amoba Facebook ne so nyina ye da mase nyame nhra mo monye ni se a na mo nkoso na mo nhye emaye abribia ebeba so. I believe say next week ne eba no kra echen inti no make a date with that na mom ye nko ye be kono me kai mo se ochina nyame adom nyame adom a eye 19th of March Saturday the community and the law no eba so ding baso nyama bebre last week mama hu ne call especially the care route no yes I be see subium and a phone calls na ade afi de Uncle Ben medical adawasi medawasi bium na em say I will explain my Thanksgiving not to you no enti no sanetie make a date with that tomorrow 4 to 6 p.m. Saturday sharp the community and the law ye de nyamapa bremo ho na ansa na ebe sorry so membisa Uncle Ben ayimbia ye tsa kwei de na yemfa entu yenkotoku mu na ye hu say na adesua ye baaye yanhwe akra we de yasom ye de ko Uncle Ben pacho adaroma mento ne kaka papa
me say update no me de mienu sie
okay
enti baako for spouses. First, so we application as a spouse. I had no records too, so under 5 year route won't mean ye. Law na makase a settlement brain colano English private and family life. The same law also as I said we a year and I kun now we have family life of a partner. Now we are destitute. Ubet me apply ni no records and every so still be 5 year route no. And also very good. Finally, students, good news are abanese. More amonya degree, bachelor's, master's, and PhD. Munim say you the graduate scheme in aba. Now I was so your application, your approval, and so now obey me about graduate scheme. They see, and almost say, our application ultimately start here juma. Here so be train now we tier results cross here the amount and I am farmer. Our application as a student now we call graduate scheme now. First day now now ultimately start here juma. Here decision and so now start here juma. Tinema mienu way and I can updates na under immigration rules very good, helpful to couples ABA BB all those ABA omutimi meet other requirements but still are destitute, potentially destitute. And as a particular reason being or he has no recourse in a free no so and affect of 2.5 under the 5 year route student and so more dear and good news
Hey, and yo, and now what you be or what? Oh, sorry, I don't know which side of the pillows we wake up from, but then that good news with you, now I believe say UK Home Office. I don't want to use the word of margin ye, but then they are considering a whole lot of things. People are in the system. People are genuinely a problem. They needed help. I would say at the bottom. If they are say good news, I be sinkwe. And in when you na osha, not just say in application processes or mom we go through individual application. The case works our mwenya. eno motu sa anamonwe enti yebe ka say da nyame ase e wo sa good news or the home office for a release amayen no yebe sorry akọ na mom mekai mu biom say the community and the law no ebe baso ochina nyame adoma yenua bema oreku frempom ebedi ho akotene sa nso na edu Thursday legal hour with Rainbow Radio either say ye maame ba lawyer Eunice and I say lawyer Richie and also the she say the koho na edu Friday nso a sa nso na ye ba ha se nyamanyeti menya Uncle Ben on the platform my net meaning nso edi nkomo na edu Saturday the friend double do 12 to 1 o'clock no lawyer Eunice biom ene ye nua ba Vicky or also mobile time with the lawyers and I say legal time no and also omo de ba time with Vicky omo de legal way and mostly no share trend na just say nyoma nkrofo bisa no no mo chreche wo ho ye mami lawyer Eunice chreche into no ho nso uti a ebeboa oyi pa ansa na do enwumre nso a ye did the community and the law you are welcome so obeba ho na obebisa wo questions to say yenu akwadwo ene wa beje aport ni hina de cop obetna meni manka metwa no sika kakra nsa na mache no na so wenya no say wenya no free say ne ye hwehwe because of the community nti ye beda masibium sanso na mo nso mo baso na mo behwe a na ma share amaye my monkwa monfa share on the Facebook page, share on the YouTube page, share on the LinkedIn, Instagram, everywhere you wanna. Bomodiana ko na share the BW Communications, any radio no so ye wo hono. Na ye YouTube page no, subscribe to the YouTube page now. BWF Solicitors, your YouTube page, subscribe now, like the page, and then click on the notification button. Anytime I baby biano, now when yasa NMD, unya we wo baby into bedamas, yamen shram, ye didn't say, Monso, Mwenia Aji. Uncle Ben say ye need assembia at the moment biumbia, and ye beka say, Munya, good week, good weekend. Ne monkoso antie news so nsama atwam Ukraine monkoso ambo mpae na yigidi sense san beba daache yeda mase nyame nhira mo medin
Eda mo nyina ase bye bye
bye
ye fema ye wo London ya ji abasobodie bebre ne ya redare e wo mranse mu eye legal services be to say family law matrimonial law immigration dispute resolution Ghanaian customary any family law. What BWF dear, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na yebo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura wo ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care eye abofrahwe mu awaregya ye ho twema mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a yemma legal assistance ya edimu na yie adwuma nso yen child care any family team no nim nia wo famu eweni ya wo brei mu enu ntin ye to yembo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu yen senior partner obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu na osanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje wo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni how kra wope advice ewo immigration sensem ho wo BWF Solicitors de ye immigration team no abridare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration work permit student visa ho totoye any entry clearance visas family visas ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wonni how kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa non krompe mu ekosi enumre nunsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm. Ena memene danso appointment nkoa free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Yewo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground on Swa eye kwantie bi Yen senior partner Bernard Owusu san ye barrister ya Gina Tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wa san Gina se mranimfo e wo court cases ya e fa Ghana law wa advising local authorities, official solicitors office ni solicitors bebree e fa Ghanaian law ho yie na osan yo bia otai kasa e wo radio eni TV so fa Ghanaian law